Hi, welcome. A quick tip that I gave on Discord that I'm gonna make also on YouTube here is the fact that things change. A user says, I booted up with the latest ISO and I don't see the network manager. It's not active, it's not activated, can't connect, there is no internet. First thing is, well, do try again. I mean, in the sense that it doesn't matter. This is just a tree icon, right? It's just a tree icon. Maybe you do have internet. So type in and see if you get connected, if you're connected to the system. That's one thing. Second thing is that there is also an application called MN2E. We don't need this particular tray icon to be active or anything, but we do need a way to connect. So Network Manager user interface, MN2E, right? That's the one you can use as well. I use it, for instance, if you unplug your laptop, so no LAN cable inside, then I go to the wireless and I do this with this. And I say, okay, that's my wireless password, and boom, we're connected. And we can use inside Calamares internet. So we can say, I want to have Vivaldi installed, I want to have a game installed, and so on and so on. You can select during Calamares what you need to have. The tip I gave to him, besides this, is also go back in time. Because we did not change anything. We do not tamper with drivers and all that. But ArcoLinux does change. Packages do change, right? There are so many packages on our ISO that the name stays the same, but not the content. And that's the thing, right? So the tip is go back in time. If this guy is not working, then you go back to 2005 and you download this guy because it's the same ArcoLinux. And if the network icon is working for you and you're happy, great. Then update and later on you go, you know what the drill is. I've made so many update videos. You just go to your enter bin, stay rolling. And if you really want to see what changed from here to here to here, you can read the code or just run the script, right? So that's the tip I would like to give to everybody. We don't have a 6-month release, right? Most of them have their 6 months release and that's it. No, you can grab an older one and just start updating. You know the drill, update, scale, up all, and maybe if you want to really have the very, very last percentages, then it's going to be in the bin, stay rolling, and that's it. And you have an up-to-date system. All right, that's the tip of the day. Go back in time, use other ISOs, MN2E, all good ideas. Cheers.